Have you ever felt tied down to your work phone, unable to truly disconnect? Or maybe you're tired of paying exorbitant fees for a device that doesn't quite fit your needs. Today, we're diving into a question that many people have. Can I bring my own phone to RingCentral? Let's face it, our phones have become an integral part of our lives. We use them for everything from work to play, and it can be frustrating when our devices don't work seamlessly with our professional tools. RingCentral is a popular cloud-based communication platform that offers a variety of features, including voice, video, and messaging. But can you use your own phone with RingCentral? The short answer: yes, you can. RingCentral offers a BYOD, bring your own device, option that allows you to use your personal phone for work. This can be a great way to save money and have more flexibility in your professional life. Benefits of BYOD with RingCentral. Cost savings. One of the biggest advantages of BYOD is cost savings. Instead of purchasing a new work phone, you can use your personal device. This can save you money on the phone itself as well as on monthly service plans. Flexibility. BYOD gives you more flexibility in terms of choosing the device that best suits your needs. Whether you prefer an iPhone, Android, or other smartphone, you can use it with RingCentral. Convenience. Using your personal phone for work can be more convenient. You don't have to carry around two devices, and you can access your work communications from anywhere. How to set up BYOD with RingCentral. Setting up BYOD with RingCentral is relatively simple. Here are the basic steps. Check compatibility. Ensure that your phone is compatible with RingCentral. Most modern smartphones should be compatible, but it's always best to check the RingCentral website for specific requirements. Download the app. Download the RingCentral app from your phone's app store. Sign in. Sign in to your RingCentral account using your login credentials. Configure settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure your RingCentral settings. This may include setting up call forwarding, voicemail, and other features. Things to consider. While BYOD can be a great option, there are a few things to consider before making the switch. Data usage. If you plan to use your personal phone for work calls and messages, be aware of your data usage. Excessive data usage can lead to higher monthly bills. Security. It's important to take steps to protect your personal data when using your phone for work purposes. This includes using strong passwords, avoiding suspicious links, and keeping your software up to date. Company policies. Some companies may have specific policies regarding BYOD. It's important to check with your IT department to ensure that you are following the correct procedures. In conclusion, you can bring your own phone to RingCentral. BYOD offers several benefits, including cost savings, flexibility, and convenience. However, it's important to consider factors such as data usage, security, and company policies before making the switch. If you're interested in learning more about BYOD with RingCentral, visit their website or contact their customer support team. They can provide you with additional information and help you determine if BYOD is the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.